In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV transactions in Monarch Money. If you've got a bank or credit card statement in a CSV file and you want your spending history reflected in Monarch, this process will take just a couple of minutes. A quick note before we begin. Make sure your CSV is saved on your computer and that it includes basic columns like date, description, and amount. It helps if expenses are negative and deposits are positive, and if there's only one header row at the top. Start by opening your browser and going to monarch.com. Sign in if you're prompted. Once you land on the dashboard, look for the Accounts section. Click Accounts to open the list of your connected and manual accounts. This is where all your banks, cards, and cash accounts live. From here, choose Add Accounts. Even though the name suggests adding a new bank connection, this is also where Monarch lets you bring in data manually, which is exactly what we want for a CSV import. On the next screen, select Import Transactions and Balance History. This option is designed for situations where your bank connection isn't available or you prefer to upload a file. Now, click Import Transactions. This focuses specifically on your transaction lists like purchases, payments, transfers, and deposits, rather than just balances. Next, choose Upload Your Transactions CSV. A file picker will open. Locate your CSV file on your computer, select it, and confirm. After the file is selected, click Next. Monarch will process the file and guide you through confirming the details. As you proceed, glance at the preview to make sure your dates look correct and the amounts are showing in the right direction. If your bank exports credits and debits in separate columns, make sure only one column is mapped to the amount and that refunds or deposits show as positive values. If your CSV contains transactions for multiple accounts, it's best to split them into separate files and import them into the correct account one at a time so your reporting stays clean. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. If you already have a bank connected, try to avoid double importing the same date range. Monarch may detect duplicates, but it's quicker to only upload what's missing. Also, keep your CSV headers simple. Date, description, and amount are enough for most imports. And if you plan to import regularly, keep a consistent format so future uploads are fast and predictable. That's it. You've uploaded your CSV and moved through the next step to finalize. Your transactions will appear in accounts and in your transaction list, ready for categorizing and budgeting.